Honourable Chair, Your Excellencies, achieving the Sustainable Development Goals target by 2030 remains elusive. The funding gap of $4 trillion needed for developing countries is a stark reminder of the uphill battle that we face in advancing the SDG goals. Small island states like Fiji face unprecedented challenges, such as the climate crisis, compounded by the challenge of financing sustainable development initiatives. It is to be noted that our national finances are rediverted for socio-economic recovery as a result of frequent national disasters, mostly natural disasters. As we take progress at this 80th session of the General Assembly, we continue to face challenges of climate change, environment pollution, armed conflict, and rapid urbanization, which is compounded by the growing global population. In today's context, one factor remains constant: rising debt. And Benjamin Franklin said there are only two certainties, that is death and taxes. I say that we now have three, with debt included in this realm of certainties. Building a sustainable, inclusive, and resilient economy requires consolidated effort from countries, as they must exceed routine national revenue and further increase investment in key sectors such as infrastructure, health, and education. Fiji calls on financial institutions to consider the Multidimensional Vulnerability Index, MVI, in assessing the challenges encountered by small island states. We need to implement a Seville compromise and make real commitment to addressing the existing funding gap. Your Excellencies, our plight is urgent. We need a financial system that is cognizant of our reality. I urge fellow leaders to scale up efforts in the implementation of SDGs, especially for countries in special situations such as small island developing states, as we march into the last quarter of the 2030 agenda. Thank you very much.